Every human job will be changed or eliminated, not in 10 years, much sooner. That's what Jensen Huang, CEO of Nvidia, says. It's not a prediction, it's a kind of plan. The man behind the chips powering every AI system in the world said it loud and clear: we'll transform everything that can be automated and get rid of the rest, not safe zones, not immune sectors, not one exempt. This is the labor market rewritten by machines. But this time, it's not factories that are shaking, it's offices, schools, hospitals, newsrooms, knowledge work, intellectual professions, the ones that thought they were untouchable. Because if humanoid robots can do what today's generative AI already does, it means every bot will be able to learn a physical job in seconds, not in 20 years. Now, who survives? Only those who shed their skin, those who integrate with AI, those who become complementary, not replaceable. Either you learn to work with machines, or machines will work without you.